Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. When replacing the upper trimmer head housing on your string trimmer, we recommend performing the procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Depress the two retaining tabs to release the lower trimmer head housing. Twist the spring to remove it from the upper housing. Align the slot in the flange washer with the slot in the gear case and insert a small flathead screwdriver. You can now rotate the old upper housing clockwise to detach. Prepare the new upper trimmer head housing for installation by transferring the hex nut from the old housing to the new one. You can use a mallet and a 5/16" nut driver to do this. With the hex nut in place, confirm the flange washer is aligned on the gear case. Then thread the upper housing on counterclockwise. Align the slots. Insert the screwdriver, then rotate the housing to lock it into place. Align the spring on the center hub of the housing and twist to secure. Align the lower housing assembly on the upper housing and spring, then snap it into place.